In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use n8n automation. We'll be exploring the basics of setting up a new workflow and getting started with automation. Whether you're looking to streamline tasks or improve operational efficiency, n8n is a powerful tool that can make your life a lot easier. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can kickstart your automation projects. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the plus sign located above on the n8n interface. This plus sign is your gateway to creating new workflows. By clicking on it, you're telling the system that you're ready to start crafting a new series of automated tasks. Once you click that plus sign, you'll see the option to start a new workflow. Go ahead and click on New Workflow to begin. This is essentially like opening a blank canvas where your automation masterpiece will take shape. Imagine this canvas as the central hub that will eventually connect all your tasks seamlessly. With your new workflow ready, the next thing to do is click on Add First Step. Consider this the building block of your automation journey. This first step is crucial, as it sets the foundation for everything that follows. It's here where you'll determine how your workflow will kick off. For the initial trigger of your workflow, you'll select Trigger manually. This option is great for testing purposes and initial setup. It allows you to manually set off the workflow to ensure each element is functioning as it should before automating. The core of n8n's functionality relies on nodes, and you'll want to select one to proceed. To give you a concrete example, let's say you choose the Gmail node. This is one of the many integrations n8n offers, providing the ability to interact with Gmail services. Now, to enable communication with Gmail, or any service really, you need to add an account by clicking on Credential. This step involves linking your external accounts to n8n. When you click Add New Credential, you will be prompted to sign in to your account. This ensures that n8n has the necessary permissions to perform the tasks you've set up. During this process, make sure you carefully fill out all the required details. It's crucial to input this information accurately to avoid any hiccups later on. After your account and credential details are in place, click on Execute Step. This action tests the initial step of your workflow to ensure everything is configured correctly. Consider it as a trial run to verify the setup is able to carry out the required actions. If at any point you hit a snag or something doesn't seem right, follow the on-screen prompts. n8n provides these prompts to guide you through any troubleshooting necessary. Whenever you encounter issues, these prompts are your go-to resource for smooth sailing. And there you have it. A basic yet comprehensive walkthrough to get started with n8n automation. By following these steps, you're well on your way to automating tasks, saving time, and increasing productivity. Keep exploring and experimenting with different nodes to see the full potential of what you can automate. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!